What is Hub Content and why is it so important for your online marketing? In this week's video, I'm going to explain all, but first I need to take you somewhere very special to explain it. Think of Hub Content as your harbour, a way of distributing information about your business and how you can deliver for people to your audience. It's a way of keeping them warm, engaged and informed about your products and services and how you can solve problems for them. You can deliver it in different ways. The best way is constantly pushing content out through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and all the other social media channels like LinkedIn. But you use content even from other institutions. You could link to blog articles, you can generate content yourself, of course. Let's talk about your team, how well your team are performing. If you win an accolade or an award, post that, show off. That's what Hub Content's all about. So remember, with Hub Content, it's backing up your bigger picture, your bigger strategy. It's not the silver bullet that's going to solve all your problems. You need to be doing hygiene and hero at the same time. But putting your efforts into one of these strategies is not good enough. You need to do a blend of all three. I'm going to start to explain how you can add different types of content on a regular basis and the content strategy that you need. In the next episode, I'm going to tell you the different levels of content that you should be putting out in the right ratio from Hub, Hero and Hygiene. I've been John Pankhurst, the Morning Marketing Man. If you've enjoyed this video or got some value out of it that you can take back to your business, please like or share on Facebook. If you're watching on YouTube, please click the subscribe button because every new subscriber I get really encourages me to add new content. And if you're watching on LinkedIn, please click the like button because it'll share it with your network. I'll see you back in the UK very soon.